friends, how are you? Oh my gosh, I was chatting this whole time thinking that I pressed record, but I didn't. Anyways, I'm making spaghetti for dinner. Justin and Liam are back. Girl, it got hot. All the ovens are on. Yeah, they're back. They got back at like 9:37 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna roast some broccoli with some frozen garlic bread and just make spaghetti with Rayo's. Is it Rayo's or Rao sauce? And some Tyson chicken in the air fryer. It's one of those days. It's, you know, giving just the bare minimum. But it's all good. Sometimes it be like that, you know? And it's still good. So good. Rayo's tomato sauce is my favorite. I know, like, there's the Pinoy style where it's sweet. As a kid, I never liked sweet spaghetti. I know that's so wrong of me to say, but I just never liked Pinoy spaghetti. And I'm supposed to, but I just, the moment something that is supposed to be salty gets sweet bothers me. For example, certain noodle dishes. I can't think of it, but tell me your thing. Like when something is supposed to be salty, but then they make it sweet, like what bothers, like does that bother you? Because that bothers me. Like I don't like the flavor. It's unexpected and it's not for me. Yesterday night, Justin calls and he's like, Liam got hurt. I got to take him to urgent care. And I was like, what happened? So I guess they were throwing a ball around, but like a pretty heavy ball. What kind of ball is that, Liam, that you got hurt with?
It's like a ball of lard that was like wrapped up in
A ball of lard?
It's kind of hard to
A ball of lard. Anyways, it's heavy though, right? And he got
prizes in it.
It had prizes in it? Oh my gosh. And then anyway, someone threw it at Liam accidentally and it hit him on the face like this. And then Liam Justin took him to urgent care. And I said, just come home. Like after urgent care, please just come home because like you're hurting. And he was like, nah, I'm not coming home. Because he loves camping with the Boy Scouts. And so he stayed. And he did a fire and they did movie night at the campground. Oh, I need a bigger baking sheet, but he's good. They did an x-ray, thank God. Like he didn't like break a bone or a jaw or something, you know. But the mommy in me is like, which kid? What's their name? Where do they live? Oh, sorry, see? Karma said, girl, stop acting up. Now I gotta turn off the water. The spaghetti's overflowing. I made some melon juice. My babies love it and that makes me happy. We also have chicken noodle soup, but we had that for lunch, so we're not going to have that again until tomorrow. So just trying to switch it up. What else? I did a meal prep this week, but I did the other day, or the other week, and I still got to do a voiceover because I want to post that as a reel. But I've been posting like little vlogs here and there also as a reel, like a shorter one, like 1 minute one. Yeah. Come here, baby. Show us your gold medal. Come on now. Come here, baby. Yeah, so I don't know if I mentioned this. I took Jacob to... Girl, I don't know when I was vlogging. Yesterday, Justin and Liam went on a Boy Scout camp out. And then I took Jacob to a chess tournament. And Jakey got a gold medal. 4 wins, 2 losses. Epic player. Show him, baby. Yeah, let them know.
There was a reward that was bronze, gold, and bronze, silver, and I got gold.
Yeah, he's such a natural. He's just so good at it. He doesn't like do any kind of like.
I beat Daddy.
You did. He doesn't research. He just plays for fun and gets gold. Wow, 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 wow. You know what? Liam's just fine because they were running around the kitchen acting up. He's just fine. This is our easy dinner with a side of advent calendar right over there. So we got broccoli. Yes, please. Broccoli, spaghetti, chicken, and garlic bread. Hello, friends. Good morning. We watched A Boy Named Christmas yesterday. We love that movie. We started watching it, I think, last year. Oh, sorry. Oliver just started running out of nowhere. Oh, he's still running. Yeah, so we started watching, I think, A Boy Named Christmas last year. It's so good. There's that one man, the dad. I think he was in the Time Traveler movie. I just don't know his name, but I really like him as an actor. He has like, you know, like, okay, this is weird to say, but when you look at him, he just looks like he's a kind person. He has a kind face. Like, I don't know, like an everyday kind man. I don't know how to do, or maybe it's because I know his character in the other movie. Yeah. So this morning was hectic AF. I'm trying to calm down from it. It's just, one of those mornings where like it's a little crazy trying to get everything and the kids out the door. Liam had swim today. He didn't pack none of his swim stuff, and I gave him grace because he had injured his jaw, and so I packed everything for him. He didn't have body wash, and he showers off the chlorine and stuff after swim at the school gym, and so I had to get a travel body wash. But then I went downstairs in the basement where I keep all the travel toiletries. Justice was down there using the bathroom, so I was like, what? So I went upstairs and I went to go find some. It was just like a lot of little things, and then their snacks, and then them finding their gloves and their beanie. And I was like, I already packed all of that for you yesterday, because I'm kind of like a type A mom, if you guys notice. Like, I just have a type A personality. I can't help it. My bestie, one of my besties, Nene, says, you ain't gotta get ready if you stay ready. I live that way. I don't gotta get ready because I stay ready. I always got everything down, except for the body wash today, and just like, I guess not today. And then the kids refused to kind of leave the house until they could find the elf on the shelf. But girl, we don't know where the elf on the shelf is yet. We really don't know where he went, where they went. Like, we still haven't found them. And I'm going to look around the house because I want to find it before them, but I'm not going to tell them where it is. Yeah, I also don't want to leave for the gym until I find the elf on the shelf. What else? I gave Justin a massage yesterday. We have like a massage table, so I gave him a massage. And then we just went to sleep. Right after his massage, we watched a little bit of the Diddy documentary. There were a lot of things I didn't know. I didn't know that Tupac and Biggie were friends like that. Did you? Like, are you guys watching the documentary? Because I had no clue that they were homies like that. Like, because in the news and stuff, it always looked like they were rivals. I had no clue East Coast and West Coast were friends like that. I haven't finished it yet. But in the beginning, they were friends, okay? Like, I'm only on the second episode. I went to the gym. Got some caribou. My caribou's in there. Y'all, snow life is not for the weak, because you got to be out in your car in the cold, scraping your car. Let me know if there's like an automatic tool that I can use to make it faster. Because you see this? It's frozen, so now I gotta scrape it. Hello friends, I'm personally trying to defrost because my dummy self decided to do all of that snow scraping without gloves, and then it got all red and frozen. I should have just worn my gloves. And I was due for a manicure anyway, so I told Justin, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna stay in the area, get a manicure, because it was snowing kind of hard, and I don't like to drive when it's snowing. It's just like harder to see when it piles up on the windshield. But yeah, I got my nails done. I did a little sheer white with some chrome action. That was very popular years ago, but I just like it. It's very Christmassy. Christmas time. And I was like, may I please have almonds? She said nope. And I said okay. She's like, your nails are too short. She's like, once we start growing it, yes. And I'm like, okay, let's just file it down. I love how like blunt they are. They're like, no, nothing. Anyways, it's not snowing, so I'm gonna get going. I gotta go home and take a shower and all the things. My mom would call me dogyot. She's like, what? You ain't got your nails done after you're working out? Yeah, I put my hoodie on, called it a day. Nobody knows. It don't smell like it. I got the deodorant on. Anyways, I will be driving now. Girl, I just found a setting to my car that has the wheel heated. I never knew that existed. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to tell Justin. Hello friends, nothing new. Just gonna color my hair because I notice around here the little baby hairs are poking through with whites, and I'm not ready to like let the grays come out yet. I feel like, you know what, let me tell you something. My Lula Sharang was older and she never let the grays come out yet. I think she just started recently since she moved to the Philippines, and her hair is now gray. I'm using Schwarzkopf, 2 of them actually, because I don't know. I did recently cut my hair, but when I bought this, it was still long. I also use a shampoo. Let me show you. Oh, it's in the shower. Oh, girl, it ain't in the shower. Hold on. This is like the shampoo hair dye. It's like you rub it in and then you wait for it. It's like hair dye, just I love it. But sometimes a girl needs more intensity because that's like a natural black. This is a sapphire. It's called Sapphire Black. So yeah, this is the cream color. So yeah, just do all the regular stuff. Let me just show you. Let me know in the comments, do you guys color your own hair or do you go and get it done? For me, I like all black. Last time I colored my hair was in the Bay Area before I moved and I regretted it. I did ask for black, but she convinced me that I needed brown and I didn't. I truly didn't need nothing else but black. Black is my color and I like it and I think it just suits me because I was born with it, okay? I was born with black hair and that's what I mean, if you want to go blonde and you're Asian, do you, but not for me. It's just too much maintenance and I'm very low maintenance when it comes to my hair. Now with other things, I'm pretty high maintenance with other things, but not with the hair. Maybe I should be. It shows, don't it? Anyways, let me go color my hair and listen to some creepy stories because you know what? No, I need to listen to Take Control of Your Life because it's a book that Amy and I are listening to and we are book club buddies and we talk about the book while we work out together because we've been working out together lately. Like we get personal training together. It's the next day. This is how my hair turned out. It's super black. I like it. Sapphire black. That's what I'm gonna get from now on. I do like that hair shampoo thingy. I like Garnier. Oh my gosh, Garnier was really black. I forgot the name of it. There's different like hair colors. And then I also use eSalon. That's like the professional stuff that you have to like plan ahead and buy online. That one is really good too. But this is a good like last minute situation. Schwarzkopf. Sapphire black, I think. Yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, friends. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. Oh, and check me out on the gram. I got some stuff there I posted. Let me see what I post because I forgot actually. Oh, I did a mini vlog of Saturday because I didn't vlog that day. I vlogged on Sunday when I started with you guys and on Monday. Oh, alarm is off. I gotta go. Anyways, have a wonderful day. Bye, friends.